Salina, Class 10, Chapter 15, Similarities. Exercise 15B, sum number 1. In the figure, D is a point, divides AB in the ratio 3:5. Find AE upon EC. Given AD upon BD equal to 3/5. Since DE is parallel to BC, AE upon EC is also 3/5. Second part, AD upon AB. Given AD upon DB equal to 3:5, therefore AB will be 8. So AD upon AB is equal to 3/8. Third part, AC AE upon AC. Since AD upon BD is 3/5, therefore AD upon AB is 3:3/8. In triangle ADE and triangle ABC, angle ADE is equal to angle ABC. Since DE is parallel to BC, angles are corresponding angles. So corresponding angles are equal. Angle A is equal to angle A, common angle. Therefore, triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC by AA similarities. Triangles are similar, sides are proportional. Therefore, AD upon AB is equal to AE upon AC. Implies AE upon AC is also equal to 3/8. Fourth part, DE equal to 2.4. Find the length of BC. Triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC. Implies AD upon AB is equal to DE upon BC. AD upon AB is 3/8. DE 2.4 upon BC. Cross multiply, BC equal to 6.4 centimeter. Fifth part, BC equal to 4.8 centimeter. Find the length of DE. Triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC. Therefore, AD upon AB is equal to DE upon BC. AD upon AB 3/8 equal to DE upon 4.8. DE equal to 1.8 centimeter. Sum number 2. In the given figure, PQ is parallel to AB. CQ 4.8 centimeter, QB 3.6 centimeter, AB 6.3 centimeter. Find CP upon PA. In triangle CPQ and CAB, angle CPQ is equal to angle CAB, corresponding angles since PQ is parallel to AB. Angle C is equal to angle C, common angle. Therefore, triangle CPQ is similar to triangle CAB by AA similarities. Triangles are similar, therefore sides are proportional. CP upon CA is equal to CQ upon CB. CP upon CA is equal to CQ is 4.8 and CB is 8.4, equal to 4/7. Therefore, CP upon PA is equal to 4/3. Second part, find PQ. In same way again, in triangle CPQ and triangle CAB, angle CPQ is equal to angle CAB, corresponding angles since PQ is parallel to AB. Angle C is equal to angle C, common angle. Therefore, triangle CPQ is similar to triangle CAB, AA similarities. Therefore, sides are proportional. PQ upon AB is equal to CQ upon CB. Substitute the value. PQ upon AB is 6.3 equal to CQ is 4.8 and CB will be CQ plus BQ, that is equal to 8.4, implies PQ equal to 3.6 centimeter. Third part, if AP equal to X, then the value of AC in terms of X. Triangle CPQ is similar to triangle CAB. Therefore, CP upon AC is equal to CQ upon CB. CP upon AC is equal to 4.8 upon 8.4 equal to 4 upon 7. So, if AC is 7 parts and CP is 4 parts, then PA will be 3 parts. Thus, AC equal to 7 upon 3 PA equal to 7 upon 3 X. Sum number 3. A line PQ is drawn parallel to side BC of triangle ABC, which cuts sides AB at P and AC at Q. If AB is 9 cm, CA is 6 cm and AQ is 4.2 cm, find the length of AP. In triangle APQ and ABC, angle APQ is equal to angle ABC, corresponding angles since PQ is parallel to BC, and angle PAQ is equal to angle BAC, common angle. Therefore, triangle APQ is similar to triangle ABC by AA similarities. Triangles are similar, therefore sides are proportional. AP upon AB is equal to AQ upon AC. Substitute the value. AP equal to upon 9 equal to 4.2 upon 6. AP equal to 6.3 centimeter. Sum number 4. In triangle ABC, D and E are the points on side AB and AC respectively. Find whether DE is parallel to BC. If first part, AB 9, AD 4, AE 6, EC 7.5 centimeters. First part, in triangle ADE and triangle ABC, AE upon EC is equal to 6 upon 7.5 equal to 4 upon 5. AD upon BD is also 4, 9 minus 4, 5, 4 upon 5. So, AE upon EC is equal to AD upon BD. Therefore, DE is parallel to BC, converse of midpoint theorem. Second part, in triangle ADE and triangle ABC, in second part, AB equal to 6.3 centimeter, EC equal to 11, AD equal to 0.8 and AE equal to 1.6 centimeter. Okay, then AE upon EC is equal to 1.6 upon 11 equal to 0.8 upon 5.5. AD upon BD is equal to 0.8 upon 6.3 minus 0.8 is equal to 5.5. So, AE upon EC is equal to AD upon BD. Sides are proportional, hence sides are proportional, therefore lines are parallel. DE parallel to BC, converse of midpoint theorem. Sum number 5. In the given figure, ABC is similar to ADE. If AE upon EC is equal to 4:7 and DE is 6.6 centimeter, find BC. If x be the length of perpendicular from A to DE, means AP is equal to x, find the length of perpendicular from A to BC, means we have to find the length of AQ in terms of x. Given ABC is similar to ADE, therefore angle ABC is equal to angle ADE and angle ACB is equal to angle ADE. Therefore lines are parallel. DE is parallel to BC. So AB upon AD is equal to AC upon AE, which is equal to 11 upon 4. In triangle ADP and triangle ABQ, angle ADP is equal to angle ABQ, since DP is parallel to BQ, corresponding angles, and angle APD is equal to angle AQB because BP is parallel to BQ, corresponding angles are equal. So triangle ADP is similar to triangle ABQ by AA criterion of similarities. Therefore AD upon AB is equal to AP upon AQ. AD upon AB is 4 upon 11 is equal to x upon AQ. Therefore AQ is equal to 11 upon 4x. Sum number 6. A line segment DE is drawn parallel to base VC of triangle ABC, which cuts AB at D and AC at E. If AB is equal to 5 BD and EC is equal to 3.2 centimeter, find the length of AE. Since DE is parallel to BC, triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC. Therefore AD upon BD is equal to AE upon EC. What is AB? AD is AB upon minus BD. Upon BD is equal to AE upon EC. AB is equal to 5 BD. 5 BD minus BD upon BD is equal to AE upon EC. 5 minus 1, 4 BD. 4 BD upon BD is equal to AE upon 3.2. BD get cancelled. 4 into 3.2 is equal to AE. Therefore AE is equal to 12.8 centimeter.